Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again with a 2000 BMW K1200RS. Sports touring perfection from BMW. It's interesting. It's interesting. This is an inline 4-cylinder engine with claiming 130 brake horsepower, 86 foot-pounds of torque, I believe. Weighing a metric ton, 622 pounds. So it's not light. You got Brembo front and rear. You know, some bags here. This bike's seen some days. I can say that right now. It's got 48,000 miles. And standing it up. Ooh. Standing it up, I am 5'9". I weigh 220 pounds, and I am on the balls of my feet. All right. Okay. You have adjustable brake and clutch levers, which is great on a bike from 2000. Kick it down into gear. It's super comfortable. Wow. You know, foot position, when I put my legs back a little bit, I'm hitting something on the back of my foot when I try to, you know, kind of tuck in. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look when I get back. You know, for 622 pounds, it's actually quite flickable. You know, just kind of turns in. You have non-adjustable front suspension. You have the BMW turn signals, which are either side, much like Harley Davidson. Oh, you have a gear indicator. It's right down there on the bottom. That small little thing right there. The interesting thing about riding these older bikes, I mean, you see the progression of motorcycling just in the last 20 years in sports tours, you know. Vibrations on this bike are not bad. I mean, I've ridden a lot worse. I've ridden a lot worse. Super stable. I mean, good Lord. This bike is incredibly comfortable. It's not knock your socks off. It's not insanely powerful. I mean, this is 130 horsepower, 86 foot-pounds of torque, but it's not crazy. It doesn't deliver its power crazily. Adjustable windscreen. One of my favorite sections up here. This is little itty bitty section. It's quite enjoyable. And downshift. windscreen does provide quite a bit of protection. In the down section, it's all chest. In the up section, it's going to be right below the helmet, which is probably going to be terrible for the audio. That was 0 to 60 going around a curve. Not exactly the perfect way to test 0 to 60, but whoo, man. Is it fast? Oh yeah, it is. It's flawless. Don't get me wrong. It is absolutely flawless. But first gear. Again, it's quick. It really is. It's quick. Could you put down a ton of miles on this bike? Yeah. Oh yeah. You could ride this bike a long, long time and be very comfortable while you're doing it. It's a boat. It's a boat. Easy neutral. Kickstand's kind of weird. Very easy sitting position. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, 2000 BMW K1200RS. It's different. It's interesting. There you are. Yeah, like I said, this thing's seen some miles. 48,000 of them to be precise. But it's very comfortable. You want a bike that you want to be able to do a lot of miles? Yeah, this will do it for you. And it'll do it very well. It'll do it very comfortably. But beyond that, yeah, it is what it is. I'm glad I got a chance to experience it though. And I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you have, please like, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.